PowerShot G7X Mark III, which gives you the ability to stream live from the camera. The G7X Mark III builds on the solid performance of its predecessor and is lighter, faster, and more connected than ever before, because you can now stream live directly from the camera without needing any additional devices, meaning you can go live with your audience whether you're streaming a beauty tutorial on the go or sharing in-the-moment updates with your fans and followers. Also, now shooting vertically can be shown vertically on your compatible smart device during playback. Vertical shooting lets you get a different perspective and display it the way it was intended, even when viewed on your smart device. These features are centered around Canon's powerful Digic 8 processor, along with a new 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, which delivers higher performance and faster shooting speeds. And its 4.2 times optical zoom lens, equivalent to a 24 to 100 millimeter lens, has a brightness of f1.8 at the wide angle of view and f2.8 at the telephoto end. This impressive focal length range, coupled with the large maximum aperture, means it can be used across a wide range of shooting situations. And whether shooting from a high position with your arms raised or with the camera facing you for a selfie, the tilting 3-inch LCD enables you to check your frame and release the shutter without stress. In addition, even in the continuous drive mode, it is possible to shoot up to 20 frames per second, delivering high image quality without missing decisive moments. If video is your thing, you're in the right place. With the G7X Mark III, you can shoot 30p 4K with no crop and 120p or 100p in full HD, giving you the ability to create dynamic, high-definition movies in 4K or play back impressive moments in slow motion that happen in a split second. The G7X Mark III also supports external mics for great sound quality and has clean HDMI output if you want to use an external recorder. And if you're recording or streaming for a long period of time, the G7X Mark III supports USB charging and supplying power, with shooting possible while supplying power, making it incredibly useful for recording multiple takes or a long-format live stream. Of course, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, getting and staying connected to a smart device is easy. And it's possible to automatically send images to a smart device when shooting using auto image transfer, so it's easy to manage them on the device as well. When it comes down to it, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III can be an ideal camera for YouTubers and vloggers, a great solution for advanced amateurs looking for high performance, and easy and intuitive for new compact camera owners.